What's up, guys? Gonna run this Frank Thomas. Thanks for the fill. Sorry it took so long. Can't find a video guy. My computer's really slow, so whatever this is gonna do it. We are live. 12:28 p.m. Eastern Time. Andrew, Greg, Travis, Joel, Andrew for 3, Brian, Garrett. 12:29. Roll the dice. 4 or higher. Wow. Dice rolls a 7. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, Greg. 12:29. 7th final. Good luck. Andrew, spot 8. There's your verification. We will copy that. Done. 12:29. Thanks.